Introducing the 2010 Acura RDX. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Acura prioritized handling and performance with features such as leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, turn signal indicator mirrors, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Acura ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.